As the BSC scan is growing rapidly day by day, it's competing all new things and functions that are entirely fast and secure. So that's why in this video I will share a meme coin which will give you high yield and a deflationary token, and also I will tell you that how you can purchase the coin directly from the PancakeSwap exchange. It will be huge, and even as per my own idea it will give you at least 50x in coming weeks. So if you want to know more, stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
XRP2 is a frictionless high-yield deflationary token on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). A 10% transaction fee will be distributed over all the XRP2 holders every time there is a buy-in. The main goal is to motivate the people by holding their coins and maximize their profits. Now the best thing, XRP2 is a token for the future of funding and investing, which gives everyone a fair chance to enjoy the long ride. The cryptocurrency industry is one of the most thriving industries at this moment of time. That is why the team plan to release a cryptocurrency app in the future. Soon an XRP2 app will be live, so then you have the chance to use multiple functions like crypto news and secondly the XRP2 wallet, so you can easily hold your own tokens and coins in the particular XRP2 wallet. Then a professional network, no more expensive fee. It means that definitely the team is going to work like this, that for example if you have one wallet, so in that wallet you have XRP2 coins. So if you want to transfer your XRP2 coins from one wallet to another, then you don't have to pay any type of fee. So that will be a great thing. So right now if you want to buy this token, now I will tell you it's very easy thing for you. Here you can see the contract address. I will share the link of the contract address in the description of this video. Right now this token is available on the PancakeSwap exchange, so easily you can purchase it. And as I said in the starting of this video, that this coin will at least give you 50x. For example, if you are going to buy this coin with 1 BNB, you will get huge amount of this coin. But before that you have to increase the slippage tolerance. Basically I always use the slippage tolerance maximum up to 8%, and I think it's one of the best thing for you too. So kindly increase it up to 8 or maximum 9, then you will be able to purchase this coin. It's one of the best pick for you, because here you can see the entire supply of this token, and right now the holders are only 909 at the time of the video. But very soon, as per my own idea, at least the holders will increase up to minimum 200,000, and at that time you will definitely regret if you are not going to buy the coin right now. 50x is possible for this coin. Even it will be bigger than SafeMoon. Here you can see the white paper of the XRP2, and if you want to ask anything from the team, simply you can message them, because the team is available for you 24/7 in Telegram groups, or even you can mail them and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. I will share the link of the website. Secondly, I will share the link of the contract address of XRP2, so easily you can purchase the coin directly from the PancakeSwap exchange at the moment. Thank you.